So I came out here yesterday to do some recon, and it was nice. It was 60 degrees, like 60, 65, sunny, the fish were jumping. I was like, oh yeah, I'm going fishing today. Now it's snowing, and it's like 33 degrees outside. And they're noisy. What's also interesting is yesterday this lake was 50% frozen, and today it is not frozen at all. So that's impressive. Only took one day. But since it's snowing and not raining, I think I'll actually try to go fishing. Ooh, fish on. There we go. That's a nice one. First fish of the season. Nice head shakes. There we go. Oh yeah. Not very lively. Oh, nice fish. Didn't get skunked. That's awesome. I think last year I got skunked on my first lake. I'm very sad about it. Alright, I'm out of here. Thought I was going to do a little bit better today, but one fish is better than a zero fish, so I'm happy with that. Happy to get out on the water, and also happy to have it completely to myself. As the lakes start thawing out, Jason and I will get out a little bit more, hopefully. It's what we've been wanting to do for quite a while now, so it's nice to know that the lakes are finally melting in the valley, and hopefully some of the other lakes we can get to. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.